Hello everyone, I am Carina and I'm project manager for the product development team here at Younique. Get ready to crush your day with Younique MOODSTRUCK Crush Lip Powders. Our completely innovative lip powders feature encapsulated water technology that transforms from powder to cream instantly. Whoa! Making this lip product that not only looks amazing, but it's so much fun. The MOODSTRUCK Crush lip powders are completely weightless, multi-dimensional, and comfortable, which means your lips will feel good and you will turn heads wherever you wear this. We have 9 colors to choose from matte to shimmer finishes. You are definitely going to crush your day with our lip powders. The colors are Contrite, Complicated, Capricious, Coy, Crisp, Compatible, Captivating, Casual, and Curvaceous. To use, prep your lips with our MOODSTRUCK Lip Exfoliator. Outline your lips with a compatible MOODSTRUCK Precision Pencil Lip Liner. Carefully pull out the lip powder wand to avoid spilling any powder. Evenly filling lips with the MOODSTRUCK Crush Lip Powder. For a high gloss finish, top your lips with your lucrative lip gloss. There you have it! Not only is the MOODSTRUCK Crush Lip Powder innovative, it gives your lips a swoon-worthy full coverage look that is easy to achieve. Share your MOODSTRUCK Crush Lip Powder looks with us on social media using #YLooks.